Today we are going to learn chapter 3, Cultural Heritage of India. So our first topic is about the sculpture. The art of shaping figures or design with facial expression in round or in relief, professionally performed by a sculptor with the help of chisel and hammer, is known as sculpture. Now what is architecture? Simple meaning is construction. The word Vastu is used for architecture in Sanskrit language, and that is very much renowned. The art of constructing any buildings, houses, towns, wells, fort, minarets, mosque, tomb is called your architecture. Skill of architect is seen in the art of architecture. Ancient Indian town planning. Now the towns were divided into three sections: fort of rulers, house of administrative officers situated on the upper part of town, residence of common people situated on the lower part of town. Forts for rulers, that is at the upper part, because that part is safe, and these houses had 2 to 5 rooms. Houses on the lower part of the town are mainly constructed with handmade bricks. People of Indus Valley civilization had developed more beautiful and systematic town. Among all of them, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro has been the best town planning. So let us learn about Mohenjo-daro. 1922, the archaeologists named Rakhaldas Banerjee and Dayaram Saini found out remains of huge town planning while excavation work, and which was carried out under the guidance of Sir John Marshall and Colonel Meek in Larkan district, which is at Pakistan at present. Mohenjo-daro means the heap of the dead. Now let us learn Mohenjo-daro's first point, construction of town. To protect their house from floods and dampness, the people built their house on a high plinth. The houses of the rich people were double-storied and have 5 to 7 rooms, while those of poor people were single-storied and had 2 to 3 rooms. The main entrance of the houses opened in the side lanes and not on the main roads. There was a provision for a narrow staircase to go to the upper stories. Indeed, Mohenjo-daro was the best city in terms of town planning. The main roads of Mohenjo-daro were built north-south and east-west. These roads were 9.75 meters wide. The small link roads joined the major ones at right angle. As a result, the city was divided into squares and rectangles. These roads were constructed in such a way that the wind could sweep the dust from the road. There were poles on the road sides for street lights at definite distance. We can say that road of Mohenjo-daro were of modern style and had all the facilities. Let us learn the drainage system of Mohenjo-daro. A system of underground drainage of Mohenjo-daro is a unique feature of Harappan culture. Such drainage system is found in the island of Crete in the Mediterranean Sea. There was a cesspit in every house. It was connected to the main sewage system. When the cesspit was full, the excess water automatically flowed into the larger sewer pipe through small ones. There were manholes with stone lids at a definite distance. These lids were open with the gutters, and when the gutters were required to be cleaned. This drainage system clearly proves how careful those people were for their health and hygiene. The people of Harappan culture had constructed public baths. A huge bath was excavated at Mohenjo-daro. It was 54.80 meter long and 32.90 meter wide. The water tanks at the center was 12.10 meter long, 7 meters wide and 2.42 meters deep. There are small rooms for changing clothes on the periphery of the bath. There were steps to enter the bath. It is believed that these baths might have been constructed for group bathing during festivals and religious occasions. The public buildings of Mohenjo-daro. The ruins of two huge buildings like town halls used for public purpose has been found at Mohenjo-daro. The ruins of this big buildings itself might have been used as town hall, theatre or administrative office. There are 6 rooms on each side of the 2 buildings. It is believed that they might have been used as granary. A barrack of 20 buildings were also found in Mohenjo-daro. This might have accommodated soldiers.